welcome back to our channel ERPZEN, your go-to space for simplifying Oracle Fusion Finance. In today's session, we will dive into Account Monitor, a powerful tool that helps you track balances, spot anomalies, and stay in control of your financial health. Whether you are a consultant or an accountant or just starting out with Fusion, this walkthrough will make you monitor all the accounts and feel effortless. So let's get started. Account Monitor is a functionality which allows user to add some accounts in watch list. It means you can add accounts and keep track of them and their movements, and once you add those accounts to your wish list or watch list, whenever you go to GL dashboard, general accounting dashboard, it will show all the trends and movements of these accounts. It means increase or decrease of those accounts with percentages when compared with current period and the previous period. Say for example, we are going with the stationery expenses as an example, 745,75400, and we will add it in watch list, and then it will show this balance, and we can do a quick comparison between current year versus previous year, and we can do comparison with current year previous months, and it gives us the analysis like one is the change between the current previous year the trends, like how much got increased. Say for example, it is 25% of increase between the current period and previous period, and that's how we can select and flag certain accounts and add certain accounts to track them on daily basis. Generally we will go with expenses only in real time. There will be certain expense account like internet expenses, telephone expenses frequently which we book generals. Those accounts will be added into the wish list so that we can observe the trends or the movements against those particular accounts, like the increase in spending against that account, so these can be observed on GL dashboard without running any reports at the end of the day. It simplifies our work. We are not required to run many reports, or we are not required to inquire details and balances and all these placeholders to understand the trends or movements of a specific account. It is basically to simplify and make them visible on a day-to-day basis or on a periodic basis. It simply shows the balances available. Now let's go into the system and understand how to define the account monitor group. Log in into your instance, click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on general accounting dashboard. Now we need to create a group, and in that group we are going to add what are all the accounts we need to track. Click on view, click on account group. Now say create. Now give a name. ERPZEN account monitor group. Same with the description, and here in display options we can see several options in the LOV. So in display options, decide where this account group will be available inside the general accounting dashboard. If it is account monitor, use it to monitor balances for selected accounts and compare period balances. This is the normal option when you want to track cash, expense, revenue, liability, etc. in the account monitor region. Now, in allocations, make the account group available while reviewing allocation rules and allocation results. typically used for source and target accounts involved in allocations. Closed monitor, used during period end close monitoring. You create account groups that help finance teams watch important balances during month end or year end closing, such as accruals, suspense, or retained earnings accounts. Expenses. Make the account group available in expenses infolet dashboard, usually used to track expense related accounts like travel expenses, salaries, rent, utilities, and revenues. So, etc. Revenues. Makes the account group available in revenues infolet dashboard, usually used to monitor sales, service, income, or other revenue accounts. For your Oracle Fusion learning, you can remember the option like accounting monitor, general balance monitoring, allocations, allocation source target, close monitor, month end, year end close tracking expenses, expense account monitoring, revenues, revenue account monitoring. Since your screen is create account group for general balance checking, normally you will choose account monitor. Now we will choose account monitor. Now let's check this flag. Dynamically derive ledger. So dynamically derive ledger means the ledger for the account group is not fixed. Instead, Oracle derives it automatically from the ledger currently selected in the account monitor dashboard or the user access dataset. For example, if your account monitor dashboard is opened with Bata India ledger, then the cash account group will pull balances from that ledger. If later you switch to another ledger in the same data access set, the same account group automatically shows balances for that ledger without creating another account group. If this option is unchecked, the account group is tied or restricted to one specific ledger only. So even if you switch the dashboard ledger, the account group still reads the balances from the ledger stored in the group. Now I want to go with prior year end, prior year PTD, and access as private. Here, access here access private means it is restricted to you only, and any other employee in the organization cannot view this. If you go with public as an option, everyone in the organization, across the organization, this account group will be visible to each and every employee. Here, shared means you can share this particular account group with some set of people only. Now add account. Click on add row. Now say ERPZEN, ERPZEN account. Now select company value, Paris, department. I'll go with all department values. Account, as we discussed, we'll go with 75400. Stationery expenses. Product, I want to go with all product values. Location, I'll go with all locations. Future one, I'll go with all future. all future to values. Now here change. Here these are the values under comparison option in account monitor. They decide when Oracle should highlight or display an account balance based on comparison with the previous period, quarter or year. For example, if comparison option is equal to prior year PTD, Oracle compares the current balance with period to date balance and then applies one of these rules. Always display. When you go with as an option called always display, show the account always regardless of any change. Decrease by less than amount. If you go with this option, show the account if the balance decreased but by less than the threshold amount entered. Decrease by less than percentage. Show the account if the balance decreased but by less than the threshold percentage. Decrease by more than amount. Show the account if the decrease is greater than the threshold amount. Decrease by more than percentage. This is the option. Decrease by more than percentage. Shows the account if the decrease is greater than the threshold percentage. Increase by less than amount. Show the account if the increase is smaller than the threshold amount. Increase by less than percentage means increase by less than percentage means show the account if the increase is smaller than the threshold percentage. Increase by more than amount. That means show the account if the increase is larger than the threshold amount. Increase by more than percentage. That means show the account if the increase is larger than the threshold percentage equal. Here equal means show the account only if the current balance is exactly to the comparison balance. Here not equal means show the account if the current balance is different from the comparison balance. Example, suppose current month expenses is equal to 12,000 and previous month expenses is equal to 10,000. Then increase is 2,000, that is nothing but 20%. If you select increase more than amount, then the threshold is 1500, account is displayed. If you select increase by more than percentage and threshold is equal to 15%, account is displayed. If threshold is equal to 25%, account is not displayed. This is mainly used to highlight unusual movements in account monitor so that users focus on only on important balance changes. So now I'll go with always display as an option here. Now click on save. Save. Click on save and close. Now here you can see all the trends. Here if you go, I think there is no balance for this month. Let's go with May 2026 as an option. I think there is no balance for this month as well. you can see the trends, or else I'll go with April 2026. Let's refresh this. I think there are no balance for April also. See, there is no period end activity. Now, let us see by creating a general. The account is 75400. Click on Navigator, go to General Accounting, click on General Task. Now, create a general. Account Monitor. For April 26. Category as accrual. Now take Paris. Account is 75400. Click on search, select the code combination and click on OK. Now let us enter 3000. Now select cash account, hit search, select the accounting code combination and hit OK. 3000. Now post this one. Now it has been posted. Now it has been posted. Now let's check the balances. Click on Navigator. Click on General Accounting Dashboard. Now select April period. See, the change is not available. So like this, we can see all the trends. Click on Home. That's a wrap up on Account Monitor in Oracle Fusion. You have seen how to set it up, configure thresholds, and keep a close eye on your balances. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more practical Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment section. Keep learning and keep simplifying ERP. Thank you. Thank you very much.